ready for the beat drop, clap your hands. If you're ready for the bass drop, clap your hands. If you a crazy motherfucker, say clap your hands, clap, clap your hands, clap, clap your hands. If you're ready for the beat drop, clap your hands. If you're ready for the bass drop, clap your hands. If you a crazy motherfucker, say clap your hands.
Let me see your fucking hands.
Raise your hands up!
Everyone in the building right now, I want you guys to do something special for us. I want to see a fucking line down the middle of this stage right here. Everyone, left to the right, split down the line. Split down the line. Everyone, left to the right, split, 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 split. Split down the line, split down the line. When the bass drops in, I want you to jump and run as fast as you can into each other. Germany, are you ready? Split, 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 split.
Raise your hands up. Raise your hands up.
Split, split.
Raise your hands up. Raise your hands up. Raise your hands up. Raise your hands up.
Are you ready?
Nobody beats the fucking drum!
Go!
about to go down. Shit's about to go down.
I feel we're close enough. I wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough. Could I lock in your love, baby? I feel we're close enough. I've got you in my space. I won't let go again. Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm watching on the end. Now I've got you in my space. I won't let go again. Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm watching on the end.
Oh, shit's about to go down.
Everybody put your hands in the air.
If you're having a good time tonight, make some noise! I want to see the fucking energy! Are you ready?
Show us what you got when the motherfucking beat drops.
Everybody put your hands in the air. Everybody put your hands in the air.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready?
Are you ready?
I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. Let's get fucked up. Let's get yo-yo. Let's get fucked up.
Germany, are you guys ready to get fucked up with us tonight?
You're listening to B.I. TV.
A baby is born, crying out for attention. memories fade. I look into a fog mirror.
Standing in line to see the show tonight, and there's a light on. By the way, I tried to say I'd be there. Danny the girl is singing songs to me beneath the marquee overload.
Turn the fucking bass up.
Put your hands up, put your fucking hands up. Put your hands up,
Put your fucking hands up!
put your hands up, put your fucking